So today we are just out, just walking,
doing
just two of us.
Yeah, only the two of us.
We don't want some stress. We just
thank you. Taking a walk.
Kujibamba too. Zungus there. You can show them. Use the camera.
Camera they see. Hi guys, so today we decided to go take a walk at Nairobi Arboretum, and it's only 105 shillings per person. So though we came late, but a win is a win. We are in. we are in. Though we've come late, imagine it's like 5 p.m. But a win is a win.
Yeah, one hour is enough. We don't have that time, like
a lot of
have
time.
Some other things to do. So just 1 hour to enjoy yourself, to
walk, to just get out the stress and all that. Then try alone time.
Yes. And some very special conversations.
Yeah.
So,
thank you.
Yes, this is a very special time, guys. And we are so happy. We thank God for
thank God for every bit of it.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay. Though we haven't even taken a walk for that long, but I feel like I've never done this before. Nilikuwa nikikuja, maybe we just go do something like team building. I've never taken time nikuje nitembe nione venye Arboretum kunakaa. This place is beautiful, like
ukitaka tu time yako pekee.
Yeah, you can
just your
alone time, solo date, sindo? You can bring yourself.
You can see people are just alone. Yani watu wako
mtu anakuja tu peke yake,
anatembea tu, yes,
and they're just okay. You see.
Yes, and guys, we've not shown you our outfits. I think you've seen them on the pictures.
Yeah,
you
songa nyuma kabisa. Just simple, ya ku take nature walk.
You see, just simple, like ladies, okay?
Yeah.
Let me show them your outfit.
Okay.
Yes. So that is the girl there behind the camera. You see, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is a very special time.
Yeah.
Unakuja, unajienjoy, unatembea peke yako. You just release stress. Hii maisha itaki stress.
I think that at least you know that. At least you know that.
Yeah, at least I know.
At
like
least
life itaki stress.
Yeah, this life
take time, heal. Just for everything,
like
pressure yoyote,
depression.
Come
here.
Just walk. Unaweka tu earpods, you listen to music while just taking a walk. Yeah. So spending time alone is the best thing. Like, you are just giving yourself that chance to know yourself better, to heal your inner child. Yeah, you can also heal and to heal your inner child. Yeah, to heal your inner child. Ukikuja places kama hizi, like huyo mtoto wako ndani yako, that child didn't get a chance to experience all this. Amefurahi sana. Amefurahi sana. So let's enjoy.
By the way, guys, we are gonna show you everything, like everything. You see, this is just a start. It's just a start. Let her pick the call.
Hello.
This is just a start.
Hi.
We are gonna show you everything. By the way, how am I looking? Ni nani?
Serious?
And then guys, so today I just decided najua mtazoea na hizi. Najua kabisa ine.
Si niko kwa nyumba.
So guys, nataka muone. Don't know if you can. Okay. Let me just flip the camera.
Yeah.
So,
wow, the sun is shining. Chukua picha. Ni picha ama ni video?
Ni video.
Hii inaendelea yenye imesimama. Oh.
Guys, do we look alike, baby? Like real sisters. Do we? Ni wapi tunafanana? Just comment there. Tunafanana nini? Just comment.
Forehead.
Tunafanana. Angalia vizuri kwa. Like she looks like my mom exactly.
I know, right?
She's my mom.
I took my mom's face,
like
by
everything
the way.
And the characters. Like everything. Yes. Like everything.
Na mbona natembea na mguu zote zinakale. Board legs.
But at least when we look at her, we
see our mother.
Yes, we see her. Yeah. So guys,
tunafaa kuonyesha
nini?
See how the place looks like.
Yeah.
It's a very beautiful, serene environment.
Chef.
Joy to cut. Ama tuendelee tu.
And then another thing with Arboretum is you are not allowed to come with anything to do with food, okay?
Food, yeah.
So at least unajua kama kungekuwa na food tungebeba tujibambe.
Kuja tujibambe.
But haikuwa allowed even a drink.
Yeah, even a drink by the.
You are not allowed.
Unaona nini, if you want to like maybe if you want to bring maybe kama ni kitu kama picnic, you pay extra 3,000. You pay 3,000 and something, if I'm not wrong, maybe 3,000 100 and something. Unalipia.
Consider Mzungu, they are training. People come here to train.
They just jog. Yeah, exercise. Hey, hadi yezi jizu.
Ako pale. I think nimeona. So,
alafu guys, kuna couples.
Yes.
Excuse guys. So, if you want to come, take time, spend time alone, unakuja tu.
Yes. Let me just take myself.
So.
Yes. She's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes, she's so
beautiful. Everything
like Ona. Just
kuonyesha na huko nyuma. Unajua huko pia kuna voice za kuingia huko ndani.
Tuingie.
Si lazima.
I've not seen a monkey.
Monkey ziko huko kwa uwanja.
It's a story time. So story. Time kama hii inakukumbusha nini?
Time kama hii. Okay, like mimi naweza sema time kama hii, it reminds me of us. See, taking time, spending time together, and just getting to know one another, like
bonding
thing, yeah. Bonding also. And then again,
like the very special time, like we've never had this one.
Yeah, exactly.
Even in our childhood.
See, that's what I'm saying. Like, ukikuja to spend time, you are healing your inner child. You are healing your inner child. So, huyo mtoto mdogo mwenye hakupata chance ya ku experience all this, that child in you, if you give them a chance, ukuje tu peke yako to like to spend some time peke yako, yeah, that child will be so happy. I think that's just that.
Yeah, and it's very special. Like I think and I hope we will have more and more. Yeah. Very special moment like this. Yes, so that we come, we bond.
Yeah.
We have stories. You know, a time like this, unaona, it's a very, yani ni time mingi yenye if you have something you want to share, you can just share. Yes. Like if
exactly.
You, like kama niko na siri nataka kuambia Fei, naweza tuanza saa hii. Nimwambie. So,
place ya kutembea unachoka, like ni mlima.
Ni mlima, so
I wish tunge flip camera hii.
Trees and all that. Kuna makorido hapo.
Tuingie huko ndani. Tuone where it leads us. Twende. Tusonge. Let me see. On this side. Come. Okay, tutapata place kama hii ya kuokota kuni.
Ona tu hizi kuni guys.
I know.
Hey, nyenye yetu anaweza furahi. So, you know, in Nairobi kupata tu place kama hii it's very rare.
Yeah.
So hii
ni place ya watu kutembea.
Na huku kitu ikakupata.
Yes.
Tuteremke.
Kuko kuna watu. Wameweka block.
Sijui.
Hii si road block.
Twende. Hey. And you need to be ready for anything. Like you need to prepare yourself. Kitu
alafu tutapasa nje ya corona.
The government, like we are paying for these, you know. We are paying to come and walk. We are paying to come and just walk. Okay?
Yes.
So, me I thought last year it was 65 per person, but this year imeshoot. Kasongo wako bana. Kasongo. There is nothing for free. Aliona
Kasongo even that is not even.
Imagine. Like
Kasongo has done it. Unajua hizo ni miba. Ilibidungwa.
Yeah, you need to be careful. Unajua umevaa open.
Mimi nimevaa Crocs. Taki stress.
Crocs yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we were saying Kasongo ameingilia hii sector. Kuna hadi maji. We can just go karibu na hiyo maji, si ndio? Twende. Tuone flow ya maji. Mbona pale kuna form?
Where?
Kuja. Onako. Oh my goodness. Do you know what? Faith, come and see. Kuna light. Kuna maji. Light as in light ni reflection ya sun, okay? Reflection ya sun. Sun reflect maji. Alafu napata hii light. Faith, come. Ona, come see. Oh.
I know, right?
We need to take pictures here.
Yeah, exactly.
You know it's around 6. So tuko tuna kabahati. Maji.
No, 17, 19.
Oh,
still
it's almost
5.
So should we take pictures?
Of course.
Okay.
You're my sister and you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
Nakuja vizuri. Okay. You're tired?
No, I'm not.
Nakaa vizuri.
The
Good.
environment.
We came to do this.
Yeah, your punch is out.
Oh my goodness. These things to do with crop cop. Is it crop cops? Guys. Guys. Anyway. Let me not say anything. And so guys, yeah. Yani mambo ya Mungu ni mingi, okay? Mambo ya God. Ebu look at that. Just look.
Content creator I need.
Yes. Okay. The environment, okay? Can you see yourself?
Okay. Hujachoka nikusaidie?
I'm tired.
Bring it.
Green environment. But then si watu wanakujanga huku watu wa herbs kutafuta dawa.
Ai.
Huwezi kosa, huwezi.
Huwezi kosa?
Huwezi kosa. Guys, we really thank God for this far.
Yeah.
He has blessed us. He has
Enyewe.
kept us safe.
Yeah.
Kama sio yeye but
Hatungekuwa hapa. We are nothing without this God.
yeah. And we really thank God. Thank you, Jesus, for everything. Thank you for life. Thank you for good health. Thank you for keeping us. And so guys,
Nikikaribia mawe unanisho nisianguke.
usianguke. Kama tutapatana na mani.
Manki ziko huko kwa uwanja. Okay, Nairobi. Twende hadi kwa uwanja. Let's go.
Wewe ukigezi tumetembea kilomita ngapi?
Hata sijui.
Yeah.
Unajua this is so healthy because we don't walk a lot.
Yeah.
Ukitoka job you are so tired, kazi ni kulala.
Yeah.
Amka asubuhi, same routine.
Yes.
So fats zimejipile kwa mwili mpaka ukitembea tu kilomita 2 ushasikia wewe. Sasa hizi naweza guess maybe kama si 7 we are almost 10 kilometers.
Look at another special thing. Guess what? Tumepatana na miwa.
These are not miwas.
These are miwa.
No, you. Uwezi niambia.
Ona kwanza hii. Unakumbuka zile miwa za kwa?
No. Malel.
Aki I wish ingekuwa ni miwa. Ina sound nzuri guys. Watu wameandika
majina zao. If you come here with your partner guys, you see unaandika jina, you leave your name here and the year you are here. You see like someone has written here
mwingine anaandika
2023 if you can see that. 20 ati Malel 2023. Another person has written here Zeni 2025. So hii ni place I think ya kumark. Unajimark and then unaona miti inakauka hivi. Ikikauka hivi Kai, unajua hizi ni miti I think hizi ni za kutengeneza kitabu ama hakufanya vonyoka ifanya kitu.
Tutakimbia. By the way, they look so good. I've never seen this before. This is one of the things that I've seen today. I've never seen them. I've really never seen them.
Wow.
Hata sijawahi. Zinakaa poa. Hizi mimi nikapata naweza panda kwa compound yangu. Zinakaa poa.
Zinakaa vizuri.
Alafu
Ni kama ni miti za kutengeneza kitabu.
si ndio? Sasa sijui zinaitwa aje. Wangekuwa wameweka hapo ka signboard wameandika.
Sisal staircase. Let's go see you. Tuko karibu fika kwa uwanja if I'm not wrong. Nataka kuflip kamera tuchukue pale tukipanda stairs.
Ati stairs.
Si tuna sasa
hapo.
Tusipande stairs, twende tu hivi. So I think ziko hadi huko juu.
Hiyo ni mlima.
Wolololololo.
Hiyo ni mlima.
Wolololo guys. Morloya.
Kupanda tu hapo juu.
Imagine unaweza panda.
Hebu go panda mpaka hapo juu. Run. Mpaka hapo kwa mti. Utachoka. Guys, she's there.
So, take me a video while
Utalala umechoka.
sasa hizo stairs kidogo. Okay.
So guys, we are almost in the uwanja.
Okay, I guess.
Na hii place wape watu wajenge. Ama watakuwa wanapata pesa.
Gani kama wanaweza wapea hivyo bure.
Amulia wiwo changu imejikunja. Gift. One day, okay? I'm gonna share with you about the story behind my eyebrows. You know, these eyebrows of mine, they are permanent, like Nelita to permanent. And I have a story. I'll just create a video and share with you my experience and all that. Guys, nilikiona time nilikuwa naekewa. Like, I really thank God for everything. Nimekaacha pale. Ndo kale kamechoka. Kameshachoka. But we have to do this. Cafe, umechoka? No. Okay. Guys, shooting is not an easy task. It's very hard. Kamechoka.
Tumefika kwa uwanja na sio short screen.
Like hiyo uwanja ni nyasi ama wameunda? Wameifence.
Kuna place ya nyasi, kuna place ile kukanyago mpaka nyasi inaisha kama vile huko.
Tunapitia hapa. Guys. Naingia pale. Wameandika shade. 3 meters, sijui what's this? Shady Saunta. I don't know. People are still coming. We are not the only ones. You can see people ndo wale sijui kama mnaona. Watu bado wanakaa. I can recommend here.
Yeah.
This is a place to recommend people. You just come and
relax.
Yes. Tumefanya tizi.
Na bado tujatembea tukirudi. Highlight na kuchangu zimechoka.
Wala. wanted to ask my sister something. I want to prank her. Should I prank her? I want to prank her. I'm thinking of what I can prank her. Actually, this is the right time. This is the right time to do that. Imekuja tu kwa akili sahi. I want to do that.
You see, people are living. There are people living around here. Show them the
okay.
neighborhood.
Okay. Kefe unaidudu kai. Dudu ilikuwa imenipanda. How can I show them? Oh. Kumbe ni estate tu si supu.
Oh, kuna fence hadi watoto wasianguke kwa maji. Sasa huko kuna hicho.
Hii kamera ina shoot.
Kuna places zingine, kuna njia nyingine ya kuenda hivi. Ina karibu. Yeah. Ina karibu.
Like you hope to. Let's go.
Am I really walking in that field or I'm standing?
You're walking. Sophie, tell me something that you've never told me.
That I've never told you?
You have never told me.
Okay. There's a lot.
Oh, there is a lot.
There's a lot.
Okay. Tell me one. Just one. I wanted one today.
Just one?
Yes.
Okay. There was a girl who told me that she loves me. And she wants to be my girl.
A girl.
A girl.
Girl.
And me, I told her I am straight as a rule, as a ruler. Now, she told me that she doesn't like being rejected. Yes, and she will do something that will make me just follow her.
What?
Just follow her around.
What?
Even if I don't want.
Guy.
And she wasn't even someone that I used to know. I just met her through a friend. Yes.
What?
So
that is so serious.
Serious? Yes, of course.
She's Mkamba.
She's if I'm not wrong, Kikuyu. Yes. And she's called Gloria. Yes.
A very nice name with a very awkward mind.
She okay, like we didn't meet in person, and she met me through a friend. Through a friend. So she used to see my friend post my videos, my pictures.
Hey.
She said, I want this girl.
What?
My friend with her big head. She gave out your number. My number.
What?
So me, I just see a new number text me on WhatsApp. She says, I'm this and this, and I've seen you and I like you. You are pretty. I want you to be my girlfriend. Just like that.
Kai.
And I said no. I said no.
She normally do that.
Yeah, she's a lesbian. She's a lesbian.
Okay.
She's a lesbian.
Kai.
Yes.
So she can do something that can make you to follow her.
Yeah, she told me that.
Uh-uh.
She'll do something that will make me follow her. And I wouldn't even know. I won't know how I will start doing that.
We rebuke that.
In the name of God, in the name of Jesus.
Yes. Nothing like that can happen. Yes.
And then, another thing, I have ever dated my friend's ex-boyfriend. Now we are not friends anymore. We are not friends anymore.
With that girl.
Yeah, she used to be my friend back in college.
Oh.
So, her boyfriend cutted me, and now they have
Like the same girl. The one that we are talking to.
No,
This is another
girl.
Oh. Okay.
And that was how I can say that bar was so low.
To date
my friend's ex.
Yeah, that's so bad.
It was wrong, yes, but now
So-
she didn't give me a chance to even, like, she stopped being my friend before even I started dating her ex-boyfriend. She stopped being my friend.
Did she realize that her boyfriend like wants you?
No, the boyfriend didn't. Okay, I don't know if she ever found out, but she stopped being my friend. Because if you are my best friend, I expect you to spend your time with me, not other people. Yes.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah. If we make plans now, let's say you are my best friend. We say tomorrow we are going Arboretum to spend time. And then I see your WhatsApp status that day, you posting yourself with other people. The same place we said we'll go with you.
That's so bad.
She was bad like that.
Like that's not a straightforward
girlfriend. Yeah. And me, I just told her. I told her, yeah, that's not good what you're doing.
It's not
So
good.
if you have other, because me, I don't have friends. Now if you're my friend, you are my friend. I don't like having many friends.
Yeah.
That's so fake. And maybe just go out, party. Tukikuja kwa nyumba kila mtu aishi maisha yake. You guys are not my friends. But you are my friend. Like friend. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes. So if we make plans, we are going here. And then I see you going there with other people. We make plans. We say we'll buy this. I see you have already bought what we said we'll buy.
I
So
think
you're just...
that's not a good friend.
That's not a
Something
good friend.
like jealousy inside. That's not a good friend.
Yes.
So how can we plan this and I'll find out that you've already done it?
Yeah,
that's
that's not a good friend, by the way.
Actually, those kinds of friends, you'll find out that if they have the other side of the friends,
The friends.
they
talk
just
bad about
yes, they you are now the topic.
You are now the topic. They gossip about you.
I don't like that,
So,
and that's
you
why
see-
me I don't like friends.
Most especially girlfriends. Okay, me, I've never had girls like that, like girlfriends evil. Most of my friends usually are men. But again, the problem with male friendship is that they want something.
They
in
will
return.
want something.
I know, right?
They will want
And that's so bad. Imagine me, I just love you, like this love that I feel for you, and then you just want to.
And
Boil it
the
with-
moment you do
And
that
it
thing,
becomes weird, and there is nothing.
the friendship
It
ends.
ends. Yes,
Yeah,
thank
it ends.
you. It ends.
It ends.
That's why I just have the friend that I have, my friend that I have now. I can say she's a true friend.
And that is
Okay, like I don't know. She's just like she's always there. If you want something and she has, she will give it to you.
She's a true friend.
She's a true friend, and I can literally give her anything. If I have and she doesn't have, I will give her. And if she has and I don't have, if we quarrel, we talk like adults. You see, this other girl, she used to She's mad. She's amefura. She doesn't want to
She
talk.
behaves like she has never done that.
Thank you.
But
So,
that's not good.
That's not good.
For friends, you need to be ready for anything.
Yes.
You need to stand. You need to be there to stand in.
Yeah. For one another.
Yes.
Yes.
And also, yeah, you just need to be true friends.
Of course.
And that true friend, for sure, if it's a really true friendship, it lasts.
It lasts.
It lasts. So this is the one you are saying.
This is part of it.
Okay, people come here to do some event.
This is team building. If you have maybe friends, a group of friends,
picnic.
Yeah, picnic. But picnic you pay because food is not allowed in here.
Okay.
So you pay. I think 3,000 and something at the gate.
That's low.
Kuingia huku na chakula.
Nata, you can have some muziki here. You dance.
If you have muziki, you pay for it. You pay that 3,000. The rules are written on the gates. Kuna rules. If you come through the gates, there are rules before you get in. You should read them. I think we haven't read them.
Me, I read.
You read, yeah?
Yeah, I read. I read some few.
Kuna rules.
Hey, I can see some groups of some
maybe friends, or you just go there, you meet strangers, you do things. Yes.
Okay, so we can also go there.
We can join them, but
we can join them.
Jump. Because
yeah, we don't know what they are doing.
Yes.
If we had some idea, like they are doing this,
we could have joined them.
I really love this.
Yes.
I really love this.
So beautiful.
I have some my team. I'll recommend them to come here.
Yeah?
We spend some time. Here, Ona, you can see some monkeys there.
Yeah.
Should we go there and run with them? This is Ona, the big monkey guy. Let's go there.
Where is it?
Guy, you are not seeing it? It's
that
there.
one?
It's eating.
Have
you not seen it?
Oh, eating building. I think these are children.
Maybe it's a family.
Yes.
Because I can see they look alike.
Yeah, cousin.
I wish we had that.
Where?
But anyway, we thank God for anything. For
So
everything.
we go there.
Hey, let's go. Or these monkeys are...
No, they'll beat you.
Imagine the monkey has a banana.
So, okay. No, I don't even know where I'm going.
Let's
there.
go.
Yes.
Oh, I love it. I love
You
this.
see, the problem with monkeys, you really don't know what they are up to. Unaweza tu kumekaa. Kumbe
Na kana
inakuja
kurukia hapa. Guy, na hii inakaa mbaya.
Gani?
Hiyo inakaa kama buni.
What is bundi?
You don't know buni. Yes.
Look at it. Kai. Na zikitorofia. Joyce ziite. Si zoom in.
Look.
I think they are fighting for that. I hadi contingent they are monkeys.
They
if
are
you leave
fighting.
your windows open,
They are
you'll
fighting.
find them inside
Look,
your
that
house.
fight. They are fighting for one banana. Look at this.
Oh my God. Oh.
Hey, look at this one.
Tungeenda tuone kale kakubwa pale. Umeirukiwa na mkogoro. Na hii. Kai usiziite. I think hizi ni kama watu. Oya. Tumetembea, tumekuja mbali. Let's continue. Hi, let's go.
Look at this one is eating.
See, I thought someone's not supposed to come here with anything like fruits. Hii imetoa wapi ndizi? He, utasikia tu shua imekurukia Joy inyang'anye simu na ipande nayo mtu.
Yes.
Mimi naweza cheka mtaniokota huko. I told you monkeys are so free. Unaweza sikia tu imekunyang'anya simu na ipande nayo huko juu.
Ona ni kajanja kana kujia hapa juu. Anataka kuturuka kwa kichwa.
Yeah. Chafu.
I can have my kid friend TV.
We.
Ona kale kumebeba mtoto.
Kana mimba. Kai baby.
Hivyo ndo.
Sasa kwa kadogo hivyo ni mama. Kama kamemzaa saa hii.
Bwana. Kumzaa saa hii kadogo. You are hungry?
Yes.
We'll just go eat and then we go to sleep, right? What will we eat? What will we eat?
What will we eat? What will we eat?
Kizungu si yetu.
I know, right? English is not our first language, so tukiongea broken English itabidi tu muelewe. Nilipotezanga nini zangu zote, picha zangu zote.
Na si unafaa kusave kwa nini?
Ona tu hapa venye uso wangu ilikuanga. Na hii ni siku ya birthday yangu.
Wow.
That's how far I've come.
Kuna glue, ebule mizu. There is a very big change.
I know, right? It's all God. Like, ni God. Hakuna nothing. Hakuna mafuta.
Ni God.
Hakuna mafuta man, ni God. Ama tumekuja place hakuna kurudi. Hakuna kwa kutokea.
Sinaona watu wakipita hivi.
Tutaenda hivyo tunatokea kwa gate, I think. You see this kiwanja I'm telling you about.
Kwani there is another one?
There is another one, a very big one.
What?
We go.
Just inside here?
Yes, there's a very big kiwanja.
But
This
the same?
But the same place, it's still Arboretum. This place is big.
Oh.
We go.
Let's go.
Tumepumzika enough. The jua is going. Call him to come to Nairobi. Tell him to come to Nairobi.
Like Nairobi. To come this place.
Arboretum.
Hey, we have some big monkeys here. The babayaos. These are big. Hizi hata ukienda hapo zishtuki. Ni bibi na bwana.
I think hizi vitu nilionea tu ushago hizi mamchanga.
Hizi.
So it's been mchangas like this. Hizi ni za?
Hizi za nini?
Mtu anapiga nduru. Tuende juu. Kama ni mtu
Hey, mapenzi yana wenyewe. Like I can see just two people.
I know, right?
Hey,
if you have your
like
person,
two. This is so big. This is beautiful.
Good.
So good.
But we've taken enough photos. Hey.
Yeah.
Hakuna light. Ulibeba?
So what do you think I have not managed to do it now. Unajiona uko na kiu? You see, people are just swimming.
I really want to panguza. Let me have that bag. Hey, is it
What is different? What is the difference between here and Uhuru Park?
Uhuru Park? Uhuru Park hakuna restrictions, I think.
Huku kuna
Hakuna
restriction.
huku kuna restrictions juu ya
by the
hizi
way.
monkeys na hii like
Lakini hapo mahali pa ID ndo wametukosea.
alafu unaona huku kuna places za kutembea like places kuna places poa. Uhuru Park huku Uhuru Park. Uhuru Park ni park like people are going there to laugh, enjoy. Hakuna hiyo time ya ku build body ama hakuna hizo.
Na Uhuru Park
Park is
hakuna
not as big as this place.
This is big.
I think
Big than Uhuru Park.
I think this place is big. Unaona tumetembea kutoka wapi na bado sio hiyo place peke yake ya kutembea. There are other places we haven't even gone. Yes, there are other places we haven't gone.
Okay, but maybe next time we'll just come.
We'll come early so
we'll
that
just
we can
come like
walk and
11.
go. Yes.
And then we stay up to the evening.
Yes.
Because
We came late. We came almost
6.
5. We came 5. It was around
5:20.
5. No, 5:17 there. It was around 5:17. But I feel like we've spent here time since morning. Even though na feel
like,
imeisha.
by the way,
I feel tired. I feel like maybe we've spent here enough time or a long time, even though we've only spent like 1 hour 30 minutes because we came late.
Yeah, next time we'll just come.
Next time we'll come early, we explore. Yes, and you put on shoes and
Sure.
clothes that will help us. If you want to take a run, you run. If you
Yeah.
want to walk, you walk. Now, I'm dressed like this. I can't run in jeans.
Yes, I'm telling you, next time I'll just put on a short.
Yes.
And
Or a
don't,
skin tight.
please
Or
don't
gym
judge
clothes.
us.
You come.
We'll just come to enjoy ourselves.
So, guys, I think our time is almost over, yeah?
Yeah.
Or what are we doing? What else are we doing?
We're just
We just rest for a while, then we go, yeah?
yeah.
Okay. So, guys, we are just resting for like 20 to 30 minutes, then we go. 30 minutes a lot. I think 20 minutes ndo itupatie time ya kutembea nje. Unajua tutatokea Ngara. Na tuwezi tembea Ngara usiku. Koja. I think somewhere Koja Ngara is there.
The good thing I like in Nairobi, you can just walk even at night.
Even at night. But you see that place I'm telling you, it's usually so quiet and so there are dumping sites there.
Still inside here.
Not here, there. Huko penye nakwambia sasa huko ni tricky kutembea usiku.
Oh, okay, Koja.
But tukiwa wawili,
Koja.
That place is somewhere near Koja. Kama tujafika Koja bado.
Oh. Okay. People come here with their
So,
kids.
yes, spending time.
Yani they enjoy.
I think I'm feeling cold now.
We need to
Put on a sweater. Nivae sweater mani. Sweater ama yote ya blue. Yeah. You choose one.
You just choose one.
I'm putting on this.
You're putting on this?
Yes.
Okay. No problem. Okay, let's wind up, or we will wind up when we are going.
We are winding up now. Then when we are going, we'll just go.
Okay. So guys, and that's our video
for today. That's how we spend our 1 hour 30 minutes time of our evening.
Yes. Should we call it a picnic? Or
no, we can't call it a picnic
because
we call it a bonding or sister date.
Yeah.
This can be a date also.
Yeah. Very true.
Nature walk date.
Yeah.
At Arboretum.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
We've really enjoyed till we meet again.
Bye. Next time we'll come early and vlog. You see?
Yeah.
Say jua imeisha.
And I think next time we'll just go at Uhuru Park so that we carry some snacks
and
eat
just
and that. So and then another day still we'll just still come back here. It's not a bad place.
There are beautiful places in Nairobi to visit. Places like this but the only difference is that there are other places the entry fee is so expensive, like Paradise Gardens. I've ever gone to Paradise Gardens for a picnic. 500 entry fee per person. Either you're a child, either you're an adult, it doesn't matter.
500, is there any food that they are going to
No, they're not giving you anything. And you're supposed to be leaving that place at around 7 ikifika, you're supposed to be going.
Guy.
Yes.
Me, I've never gone
So the
there.
early you go, the longer time you spend there. And the better you are going to spend that money. Because niambie, why should you pay 500 entry fee? Do you see? We went at around 3. We only spent 3 hours, I think. Naturally, per 500 each person entry fee.
Is there anything special that we've not seen here? Like
Nothing.
Guy, that's a lot. That's
nothing special. It's just a place like this.
Okay. I cannot say that I can't pay it. If I had it, I can.
You have it, you just pay,
promote
you
your
explore.
country.
Yes.
No.
Yes,
you
just pay. It's not that much.
Yeah, 500.
It's not much.
Yeah, we can still pay.
Oh, my friend.
Bye.
Kwenye moyo wangu na trend. Oh, my friend. Unanipenda mpaka raha. Best friend forever. Oh, urafiki wetu umeweza. Oh, you're my best friend forever. Oh, urafiki wetu umeweza. Oh.
Like if I want something, I tap on it like this. And imagine I tap on it and I say, one day I want to buy something like this.
Manifesting?
Yes.
Is that manifesting? Yeah, it's manifesting by the way.
Hey, just look here.
So beautiful. Nakaa vizuri yake
Sana.
Wow, I've never fallen in love with nails the way I am in love with these nails.
They are beautiful. They are not shouting. They are not dormant. They're just beautiful. Like if you want to do it, you pay for it. Where you are.
Like me as a worker or someone just an outsider.
You as a worker.
No, I don't pay for it. As long as you have someone that you just tell them, I want you to do my nails today. Anakuambia tafuta inspo. Wewe cheke nayo Pinterest.
Yes,
you look for an inspo. Angalia tu. I think this is
blue. Okay.
So I hope you always know you can call your sister when it feels like no one understands. I'll be your secret keeper when you can't tell mom or trust your friends. I laugh